What to do when a DeWALT stapler is not stapling. So first thing to do is check that here that you actually have staples. If you don't, switch it over, add some staples obviously. However, if that's all got staples in and when you press it down it doesn't actually staple, open it up, take the staples out and look at the end here and make sure no staple is in the end here, because what could happen is a staple could get jammed and then it'll stop any other staples coming out. So let's put that back. So that's where the staple could get jammed. So open it up and you may need some long nose pliers to prise out the staple, and then hopefully if you do have a staple here, that will be the problem. Take it out, add your staples, close it up, and that should then fire the staples. So hopefully that helps you out what to do when your staple gun is not stapling.